Hi guys, welcome to Distract channel guys. So guys, I'm discussing about the topic is called SEO on page on your particular website. In SEO on page, if you upload any content, what are the major important key points? First of all, here this is a major one. First of all, SEO on page refer the all activities performed within the website to get higher ranking and more relevant traffic and views for the search engine. It's mainly on page related to optimize the content as well, HTML, PHP, source code, or WordPress, any web pages. There is a first of all. In this one, major thing is called URL structure, meta title tag, description, keyword, alt tag, header tag, anchor text, and canonical form. It will be most important for first eight. So what are the content you're posting? You will be select will be here. So in this selection will be properly we can select by here in this. First, we can any kind of things will be uploading on your particular website. First of all, your proper URL structure is important. Any blog we can go here. Now click for here. This is a perfect URL structure will be here. Before that, there is a common blog and information purpose I'm writing for these options. These all method will be using into the SEO on page. First of all, major URL structure. So when your content will be posting on blog, so perfect we can use for the in a particular link here. After this one, add your title. Next you can add your description. In description part, we have multiple methods are there. The method will be follow and add your particular options. So what are the call button? So how is happening for your particular website? This all you can learning from here is the option. So when people will be search here, so lot of methods are here. So in this which method will be here, we can here. So here. So same will be post on the here. Major thing is called what are the title you will be mentioning here. A same will be using for all tag. Or else you can using for SEO title also. So here will be select here. So where is image will be here. So image name same. Why is an image name same is called? We are writing for your structure, meta title tag, description, keyword. Now I'm writing for all tag. In this one, if you give any kind of headings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but in an admin panel, automatically selecting heading will be here. Suppose you can go to blog, or we can check. This is H1 tag. How to know? Control U. Control nothing, but we can go to the page source code. Control F, H1 tag. See here, how to link Google Map to your website. So nothing but what are the continue give this? This will be automatically given by H1 tag. Is a automatic give by developers. If you not give developer, you can writing on your admin panel here. This is the option. Select here and what are the content you will be post and you can copy this one. Before that, code will be writing here. So what are the code will be writing here? Particular option you can writing will be here. The code nothing but how you can add in the call button option. So here video is there. Open the video, copy the URL, paste it. Up to we can selecting for 11 characters. V is equal after 11 characters. That is a special character or any kind of symbol. This setting for 11 characters. After you updating the code here. So this code we can copy here, paste the code. So code will be placing for footer place. So what are the code you mention? Everything will be highlight on the particular headlines. Okay. Next, what are the content you will be prepared here? the content you publish on by here. So once your code will be placed, you can go edit option will be code will be removed here. So in this, what is the option? H1 tag, and you can give this option will be here, everything. Here we can give to option will be anchor text. Anchor text will be here. The same one we can give to the same view to link. How it is happening? Anchor is nothing but in a text we can give the link option. How we can give the link? Here is a link method. This method link symbol will be compulsory using for link purpose. Target will be always using for new window. New nothing but they open with link will be click. They open for the new window option. Proper title, description, and keyword. The title will be don't exceed by 60 characters. The 60 character will be copy from here. Select the notepad and paste it. The exactly will be 58 characters. How view will be is the status bar will be enabled. The enable will be possible this option and post it. Proper title is a URL structure. Proper description with the H1 tag and image will be proper same title we can using for here, and each text you will be adding for particular link option. Now click for submit. After submission, now you can refresh here. I'll show the option. Now click here. First of all, we can check will be check the coding purpose. Click for Control U. In the Control U, first you can check Control F. Title. Title will be 12th one. Here, description and keyword. So now we'll be using for next will be Control F. H1 tag will be check. After H1 tag will be done. Alt is equal. So when my name is there, you can check it out the name. Here is the my name. So how to know that? Click the image. Image will be open. Is H1 tag. Alt tag. Next will be canonical. Is the canonical option. Second thing is called in the canonical. If you want using anchor text, where when you check the if anyone click here, they go to YouTube channel will be direct will be second tab. They open for the same tab and this one. This will be open for the same tab. So that is called when you're selecting link time, we can give option name is called target select a new window option. This admin panel will be create on your particular website. Easy to create any option will be there your particular website. So that is the parameter we'll be using for in the particular first 8 option. Your structure, meta title tag, meta description, meta keywords, all tag, header tag, anchor text, canonical form here. The major thing is called here we'll be using for XML sitemap option. That is we'll be using for here. So yeah, link will be same. So major thing is called here. It will be an robot.txt file. How to check the URL will be blocked or accepted after .com. You can check for robots.txt. That is happening for every URL will be accept robot.txt by using for XML sitemap. This URL will be copy and will be check here. XML sitemap also there, but new link will be not submitted. You can download XML sitemap, upload by the cPanel. The link will be accepted. How to know this? Just open this website, go to blog, click here, Control A, Control C, Control F here. The link is not available by XML sitemap. In this purpose, immediate action purpose, we have to use option name is called Webmaster Tool. There are two things. One is called Bing Webmaster, second will be Google Webmaster. Select your particular website where your website is there. Select your website. URL will be selecting URL inspection and click for here. If your XML sitemap immediate is not possible, we can use option will be URL inspection. That is a requesting to index on Google for the immediate purpose. And here analytics is called the traffic will be working or not properly. We can set up the goals that all option will be given by the Google Analytics option. So these are the condition we can follow and to update the SEO on page for the proper website. So there all will be conditions. The total condition will be total 13. This condition will be redirection, file not found, or total website will be zero files. These all will be complete in the last error. The primary one is completely first 8 option, and we can checking ninth option is called any website file will be block or disallow. We can checking for robo.txt file and XML sitemap. Still you have doubts about the XML sitemap. You can read from here to understanding the videos will be there into the latest question. Any question required, just to search in Google robot.txt file, Digital Rakesh. They show completely report. You can check from the my YouTube channel. But SEO on page, what are the priorities there? Compulsory you have to finish that priority option in a particular SEO on page. Once SEO on page done, we can start for SEO off page. Then properly we can do for the generating traffic of website. When anyone search your particular link, they show your website on Google. So that all will be major in first option is called index procedure important. Proper URL structure, proper title, description, keyword, and proper any option. So that all will be use the option name is called a particular SEO on page. If you're static website, if you're dynamic website, anything, the proper will be important. Your structure, title, description, keyword, alt tag, header tag, and a canonical form. So these are the complete structure will be follow on your particular option. Anything you can check the source code, click for Control U option. So anyone need a PPT here, we can go down on my website page, go to the study material, you can download the PPT newly uploaded by the today itself. So this is a update for SEO on page your particular web pages. So each page will be follow the same rules to updating the content option. So don't forget it, properly mention it, and update the SEO on page to ranking your website, Google search engine list, and increase your views and subscribers on your YouTube channel, on your particular website will getting for more traffic. By sharing will be social media also. Don't forget to keep it into mind and work on the particular web pages to updating SEO on page proper list. Any content require the documentation, everything will be there into the my study material option. If you have doubt about your website, any optimization, you can contact me. Definitely will be support. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Finally, I'll show you the URL not on Google but issue. Just a refresh. The something is a problem will be facing will be mobile friendly issue for page. Once you refresh the page, the getting problem will be resolved on your particular option. No need to worry. Just once you refresh, the problem will be resolved on a particular URL inspection option. So it takes some time. It will be finished here easily. So yeah, give me the few seconds. That will be 1 to 2 minutes I will give, but it will finish by the within minute. No need to worry. Just wait and finish your particular URL is on Google. Compulsory availability important. Mobile usability issues will be compulsory fix and submit the URL to Google search engine list. These are compulsory we can follow on a particular website to will generate the traffic from SEO off page. When you're done SEO on page perfectly, you can easily generate traffic from SEO off page. They show in Google getting traffic more on your particular website. So SEO on page first preference, after promotion SEO off page. On page, these are the priorities we have to keep it on the mind. Total 13 priority. First 8 priorities more important. Next is checking, updating, reporting, and indexing. This will be depend on your option. Will be show this error will be on your particular website. So these are the follow to the guidelines to promote your website on search engines. Any search engine, not only for Google. So this is the procedure for every website holders.